The Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America has been serving Michigan since 1961. Through their outreach, MPVA makes a difference in the lives of injured veterans, their families, as well as citizens with disabilities. MPVA is located at the Michigan Life Science and Innovation Center in Plymouth, Michigan. This unique facility is Southeast Michigan's premier home for life science and other high-tech startup businesses. It combines a state-of-the-art laboratory space and entrepreneurial support in one location. This makes it a perfect location for MPVA to network and be a part of the fascinating medical research that could advance the lives of people with disabilities. The Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America is the premier agency serving veterans and individuals with spinal cord injury or disease. MPVA helps veterans through their services such as advocating for civil rights, assuring quality health care, supporting research, recreation, education, and healthy living. One of the critical services of the Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America is their advocacy programs. These include promoting accessibility, civil rights, and veterans benefits.
Well, one of the things is I try to teach people is that disability does not discriminate. Eventually, we're all going to be there. We're living longer, but quality of life isn't keeping up with longevity. Eventually, we're all going to have mobility impairments that impact our ability to navigate in the communities that we reside in. And we have found out over the years that a lot of the accessibility components that benefit our membership benefit the community as a whole. For example, curb cuts makes it easier not only for a wheelchair to access the street, but also for people to cross the street that might be, in a baby stroller or riding their bicycle and things like that. We, automatic door openers make it easier for us to get in and out of the building, but also if someone's delivering a product to the building, like UPS workers, we've noticed mothers taking their children in the baby stroller, or if you're leaving the store with groceries, when the door automatically opens, it makes it easier to access the facility.
Experience is a great source of knowledge. That's why MPVA has partnered with the Rehabilitation Institute of Michigan to establish a peer mentorship program. This program matches the newly injured with a person who has experience living with a disability. By meeting a person who has an understanding of their situation, it helps provide perspective and gives hope.
The Peer Mentorship Program is a program that was developed by MPVA and RIM quite a few years back to help newly injured patients recover from a tragic accident or injury that is life-changing and life-altering. And as therapists, doctors, nurses, we can't quite understand what they're going through. So here we have former patients or somebody that was injured a while back that might not necessarily have been a patient at the hospital but understands what our newly injured patients are going through. Come and visit with them so they can talk to them one-on-one and see what it's really like and have people that can understand firsthand what they're going through, what experiences, what emotional state they're going in right now, just to help them cope and adjust and answer questions that us as healthcare professionals can't answer because we've never been in their position before. So the peer mentoring program is a vital part of our patients' recovery, the importance of having that connection with somebody that they can relate to and ask questions to and just use as a support system throughout, not just now, their current state of their injury, but as a lifetime friendship. So the peer mentoring program has been nothing but beneficial and helpful for our patients.
Another outreach service MPVA provides is their spokes and recreation programs. MPVA believes that wheelchair sports is a powerful tool for rehabilitation and social interaction. These events provide an opportunity for people to get together and have fun in a friendly, judgment-free environment.
Well, obviously after an injury, there's several stages you go through, and the first is shock. And most people have I would like to call it a spirit about them. And in that spirit, you may have the hunting spirit, or you may have the golf spirit, or you may have something that you really like to do that haunts you after an injury and you're thinking, I can't do this anymore. And this is where the MPVA Sports and Recreation Program comes in, and we'd like to show you and offer you modalities and ways to do this, because there's two philosophies that I have. One is come roll with us, and the other one is there's always a way.
Through our dedication to solving accessibility issues, the Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America is committed to creating barrier-free environments. One of the ways we do this is through the MPVA Equipment Donation Program. This program takes donations of items that assist individuals with mobility issues and stores them in our loan closet to be distributed to people who can use them. Some of the donations we accept are wheelchairs, power chairs, adaptive sports equipment, walkers, shower commodes, lifts, and other items that help people who cannot easily move.
The Loan Closet program is available to everyone in the community, and I think that is why people ask so much about it. People, I think, assume when they hear Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America that this program is only available to veterans. And it isn't, it's for everyone. And the reason that that's so wonderful is that our veterans often are entitled through the VA to get the equipment that they need retrofitted specifically for them through their VA benefits. But oftentimes there's a lot of people, including veterans, that may not qualify, and they may have needs as simple as they're having surgery and they might need a wheelchair for just a short window of time. And so we have this program that's available that really benefits the community as a whole for very simple things. Again, we've had individuals that have contacted us who may have had someone in their family that couldn't walk far distances. So they had contacted us saying they're going to their son or daughter's graduation and it was going to be in a huge auditorium, and could they borrow a wheelchair for the weekend? And so these are things that make a difference in the quality of life for individuals, and that directly serves our mission, and we're so thrilled to provide it.
The Michigan Paralyzed Veterans of America seeks to provide the entire community with education and awareness of the many gifts and talents of our veterans. If you'd like to learn more or donate, please visit michiganpva.org.